Right, so what we're doing at the minute is we just sat waiting round at my grandma's house for my uncle to get back with my cousin from work. And I'm going to lay on the front garden, and then when they reverse onto the garden, I'm going to get them. And then when they get out, I'll get them as well. See, I've just got my dad's car. I couldn't get my dad. I thought he'd bruise too easily. Plus I didn't want to get kicked out, you see, so... But yeah, that's where we're at so far. This is what it looks like from the inside. So I'm just going to get my cameras set up in a minute. And then I'll get them. So we're sat here waiting for him to get back. It's absolutely freezing cold. Holy shit. It's fucking freezing. There would be someone there, wouldn't there? There would be someone there. Oh, never. I've already done it on Dad's car, so I know it didn't I'll break it up.
I've been finding your dad.
Yeah, he pulled up on drive earlier, and as soon as he come round the corner, I just...